Hi everyone, are you ready to level up your microbit skills and learn how to play Scratch games? Then get ready for some serious fun. In this tutorial we will show you how to use your microbit to control your favorite Scratch games and take your gaming to the next level. So grab your microbit and let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is download and install Scratch in your computer. Then download this hex file on your microbit. Now go to Scratch homepage and search for Car Chase Game. Click on See Inside and edit the code. Now we will try to locate the code block that is responsible for controlling the car movement. Click on the car sprite. There you will see a left arrow and right arrow key block. Now let's replace them with microbit blocks. Click on extensions and choose microbit. Then replace left arrow block with microbit tilted left and right arrow block with microbit tilted right. That's it. Now click on the green flag and start playing. In case you are wondering about the microbit holder, actually it was 3D printed using artillery hornet. You can find the design link in the description. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Stay tuned and see you next time.